Hey, Mark the Meerkat here with Grok Trade with the trade of the day. Today's trade was on a descending triangle. Hey, if you want to know more about a descending triangle, go to freeonlinetradingeducation.com, freeonlinetradingeducation.com to our free chart school. And when you get there, you can go to here on the first page, actually, you go down here. We have a free course on what is trading all about. It's called the 101 Trading, about what is stock trading, and you can just sign up for it there, and it will be emailed to you, links to that particular program. It's 6 different sections. But what we want to do is we want to go to the chart school right up here, and there's different trading patterns that we trade in day trading. They're listed right here, and the one I want to talk about today is this one, the descending triangle. You click on that, and there's a whole page on that particular trading pattern, how to put the odds in your favor as you trade. Here's what it looks like. It's a horizontal line with the swing highs are getting lower and lower. It's a description of it and how to use that descending triangle. Here's some real life examples. These are off of these particular charts, off of daily candles, where each candle is 1 day. You can see how it dropped on this one. This one here, it dropped down as well. Then I have a couple of the ones that are in black background are 1-minute candles for intraday trading. These are ones that I had done before as examples of what the power can be of a descending triangle when it breaks down. So today we're going to trade on NBIX. And NBIX looked like this at opening, and it came down and it was a horizontal line here at about the 123 even dollar amount, and it kept getting lower and lower on the upper part. So set a trade right down here, and those Grok graduates will know exactly why I set the trade there, because that's when the odds will be stacked the highest possible in my favor at that moment right there. So we do that. Let's see what happened next, and bam, I'm now short 122.68 on NBIX. Now I have a 1% attached stop automatically set up here, so that I am protected in case it decides to reverse. And so let's see what happened after that. Oh, it's falling, it's falling. Now we got to move this up here. It's falling here, right? And it's falling, it's falling, it's falling, and it right here, the 120 even dollar amount, it's starting to make a base down here, it stopped its descent and it stalled right down there. So at this point right now, my trading rules say go ahead and take out half. So I covered half here at 120.28 for 2% profit on the first half of the trade. I then reduced my risk by bringing my stop down here about 120.09, 10 area, just above the 121 even dollar amount, and above the 8 EMA, and the 11 EMA is almost there as well. So I have some shields to protect my stop from stopping out on the second half of the trade. So let's see what happened after that. Did it go lower? Oh no, kaboom! Look at that. Look how high it went, and with really big volume. Oh well, and I stopped out at 121.09 for 1.3% on the second half. So let's take a look at this whole trade. It was a descending triangle. I set my trade, let the market come to me, and then it fell down. I went short on that one, and it fell back to an even dollar amount. So I went ahead and I took out half there because it stalled down here according to my trading rules, and then I brought my stop in the money right just above the 121 area and the 8 EMA. But then on the next candle there, 2 candles later, boom, it went up and stopped me out for a total trade of 1.6% in 10 minutes. Hoo-ah! Like it when that happens here. So if you'd like to learn to trade the Grok Trade way, just go to groktrade.com. That's groktrade.com. It'll take us to our mentoring program, which is a program to, first of all, the first part of that is an education program for 3 very concentrated days, where you're going to learn how to put the odds in your favor when you're entering your trades, and how to manage those trades, and how to manage your risk so you have money to trade another day. And then we are your mentors from that point forward to help you apply that new knowledge that you have. Just going through a training program and getting knowledge is not going to do you any good at all unless you know how to apply it, and apply it with wisdom. And that's what we do at Grok Trade, is we walk right alongside of you at no extra charge as you apply all this new knowledge that you gain. So here's a description of it right here. Tells you it's personalized coaching. It's all evidence-based. It's very very transparent about everything. And it's what it actually includes here. And right here, this is kind of interesting. Des has come up with a matrix of questions and answers. It shows you a little 2-minute video and then asks you a question at the end. And depending on the answer at the end, it will take you to a different video based on your answer. And then at the end of that, it asks you another question and it'll take you to a different video. For example, it might be, what kind of a trader are you? A swing trader or intraday trader? Well, I'm a swing trader. Okay, well then we're going to take it to questions that would regard the swing trading. And what is it that you trade? Do you trade futures or whatever? So whatever the next question is, so this is customized for exactly what you will need to know about your trading and how our particular mentoring program may benefit you. That's kind of cool. And then if you want to have a further discussion, just fill out that form right there. This is Mark the Meerkat. Hey, just remember that on those stock trading charts that you see, the price action is the psychological events of the market, not the value of the stock. Trade well, and may your winners run.